Was the giant moa the biggest bird that has ever existed? Well, if it craned up its neck, it was almost certainly the tallest.
You might think that such a gigantic bird would have no enemies in the remote and isolated forests of New Zealand. But you would be wrong. We know that Harpagornis preyed on moas because moa skeletons have been found with holes stabbed through their pelvic bones that exactly match the grasp of the eagle's claws. It was probably even strong enough to cling to a moa's back with one foot while it slashed at its victim's neck with the other.